Now then everybody, welcome to a new segment which I'm naming Gravel Wednesdays. I'm going to try and get out once a week at least if I can and go explore some gravel. When I decided to start this channel I put it out there to people, see what sort of things you want to see, and everyone was just like gravel, gravel, gravel. I know it's a big thing at the moment, so I'll try and get some videos made about that. I'm down at the Dewsbury Country Park at the moment. Don't let it fool you, I know it's Dewsbury and yeah, it has a bad rep and it's not a great place, but actually this place, which is the old refuge site, is pretty good. There's some nice stretches of gravel in here, some quite technical bits. You can just basically ride around it doing figures of eights, doing laps, get quite a good ride in. I like to come down here on my way to work in summer, do a few laps of that. It's a lot quieter than what it would be normally. There's usually lots of people walking here, lots of dog walkers, things like that, but it is the 23rd of March 2020, which is the first day of what people are calling lockdown due to the COVID-19 virus. We're not on lockdown. You're still allowed to leave your house for certain reasons. Everyone's just got to play the part. But I don't want to dwell on that too much. Purely because this channel's not about COVID-19, it's about riding bikes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a few laps in and then stop, probably put the drone up, although it is a little bit breezy, so I'm going to have to play that by ear, see how it looks. Not really a great deal more to say other than bits and bats of doom and gloom. Trip to Spain cancelled. Trip to Paris-Roubaix cancelled due to the race being postponed. Hopefully doing some gravel riding in Lanzarote in June, so I'll see where I'm at with that. But at the moment I'm not holding out much hope for it. I think due to the reduced numbers of cars on the road and planes in the sky, it's definitely contributed to this good increase in weather that we've had. Sun's out today, it's probably about 15-16 degrees now. I'm wearing shorts for the first time this year. No gloves, although I am wearing arm warmers. I don't know why, because I'm absolutely red hot now. Because we have had a couple of sunny days, it's made today's ride possible. In the UK throughout the winter we don't tend to have much gravel, we just have mud and that's it. But we've had some fairly moderate breezes and sunshine, so everything's dried up reasonably well at the minute. There is still quite a few muddy patches, but you just got to either ride through them or ride around them, it's your choice. I hope that you've enjoyed today's video and it'll possibly inspire you to get out on your bike. If you don't like riding on roads, Dewsbury Country Park is an absolutely fantastic place to come and ride. It's all off-road. There's a car park there, although it's not normally open, but you can still get parked pretty close without any issues. I'll put all the information in the description below, as well as the Strava route, so you can see exactly where it is that I've rode today. Don't laugh at how few miles I've done, because I've literally just rode here from home. Put the drone up, shot some B-roll, had a quick mooch around, and that's been about it. As always, if you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. If you've got any tips, please stick them in the comments below. I always appreciate a bit of constructive feedback. And one last thing before I go, please follow the government's guidance on social distancing. It's probably one of the most important things we're going to do in our lifetime. The more we adhere to it now, the sooner it's going to be over and we can just get back to our normal lives. Also, please support your local businesses, your small traders, things like that, because they're going to feel this pinch way more than anybody else. Also, big shout out to my barber, Luke Mack. He's now gone dark, he's not cutting any more hair for the foreseeable future, so I'm going to look like a shaggy dog, he's going to look like a shaggy dog, but it's all good. What I'm going to do is, this is my promise now, I'm going to pay you double next time I get my hair cut. Take it easy.